Georgia's children need strong, passionate early educators, and that starts with you. The BCDI-Atlanta Expand ECE Fellowship is here to help you grow as a leader and professional. This 2-year fellowship provides you monthly training, coaching, networking, opportunities for leadership, plus the tools to advance your career and create real change in early childhood education. We are looking for 20 fellows for our 2025-2027 cohort. So don't wait. Apply on our website now and take the next step toward becoming the leader our children need. Together, we're building a stronger early childhood workforce. Join us now.